Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the TV so updates can install without friction. First, make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi network and signed into the Google account used for the Play Store. Next, check storage and clear a few hundred megabytes if needed, because updates fail on low space. Now go to Settings, then Apps, and open Google Play Store details. This gets you to the controls for cache, updates, and permissions, so you can act on the Play Store directly. Once done with the basics, reset the app state to eliminate transient errors. You should force stop Google Play Store, then clear cache. If problems persist, clear data, but know this signs you out. If an update button is visible, use it. If not, uninstall updates to revert the app to factory, and then open Play Store to let it update. For stubborn cases, you can enable developer options and allow unknown sources to sideload a matched Play Store APK, but only use the correct APK version for your TV model. You finish by rebooting the TV to apply changes, then open Google Play Store and inspect the app version under App Info so you confirm the update applied. Make sure you re-sign into your Google account if prompted and try updating any app to validate functionality. If Play Store won't update after these steps, the one key troubleshooting tip is to check for and install a TV firmware or system update from the manufacturer. Play Store often relies on compatible system components, and a firmware update usually resolves mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.